Welcome to the channel. If you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe, like, comment, press notification bell. Every time I drop anything, guys, you'll be notified. Today we'll be doing, we are not doing actually, we are just going fishing. It's my first time, it's my first vlog as well. As you can see, I'm a little bit shaky. Yeah, man, please come closer. I'm with my dad. Shout out to my dad. He'll be accompanying me as well. He'll be, showing us some road here and there. Shout out to Savannah's grandpa for giving me this fishing rod. Yeah, it's the first time, fishing using like a proper stuff. Yeah, man. Sean, the producer, is behind the cam. I got my nephew Venti as well. So yeah, man, it's gonna be fun. So stay tuned and then watch what we're gonna catch. Are we gonna catch anything? Or we're gonna come back empty-handed? Shout out. Yeah, guys, we are about to go inside and buy some fishing bait. I had chicken liver and shrimps, but we don't have shrimps here, so we just gonna go inside and buy chicken liver with my nephew. Yeah. Stay tuned, let's go. I think so I know stuff more say right. Shut up, friend. So it is, sir. I think stuff more 250. Yeah. 252. Yeah. Thank you. Oh, 250. They want. Oh, they want me. Okay, tagal this one. Yeah, but come back with this. They want 500 grams in Jamal Moon. 26. I don't know 26 is take a chance. Even one. Yes, or 13. Better? 13 runs here. Oh, this one 13 is fine. Look at this one. Wait. Let's go. Got the chicken livers. Let's go fishing. Hi guys. We are here now. Wanna try the chicken liver. We just wanna search where the perfect site is. We saw a crocodile somewhere somehow, but yeah, man, we are not here for crocodile. So let's go. Yeah, guys, we are here. We just wanna try something over here and over there. But if you can zoom in, there's a crocodile just right there. Can you just show the camera there? There's like a crocodile somewhere there. I don't know if you guys can see. There's a bucket and there's a crocodile. Yeah, man. So we are not here to fish crocodiles. So let the crocodile do what it's there for. Then we are here to catch some fish. Let's go.